And welcome back to Mr. Gregor's Math. Today we're taking a look at graphing a problem that's not in slope y-intercept form. So we're asked to graph the line 10x plus 4y equals 20. Now this line's in standard form and I already have a grid set up for me. So I'm going to graph this using the intercepts. Come on over, we'll take a look at that. So first I have to find my x-intercept. I'm just going to use x-int as my way to find that. Now I know my x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. So that means I'm going to have a y-coordinate of 0. So my first step is to set y equal to 0. So I set y equal to 0. And what remains is 10x equals 20. Now I just have to algebraically solve this for x. I'll divide both sides by 10. And I get x is equal to, what do I get? 2. So I'll go and I'll plot x equals 2 on my x-axis. I'm going to repeat the same thing, but for my y-intercept. Now for my y-intercept, I know it's wherever the line crosses this axis. And remember, every point on this axis has an x-coordinate of 0. So I set x equal to 0. And what remains is 4y equals 20. Now the reason why I'm covering up the x term here is because 10 times 0 is just 0, so it's gone. Just like when I set y equal to 0, 4 times 0 was gone. So that means I only have one variable left to solve for. And I'm going to divide by 4 on this side, and what do I do to one side?
You must do the other.
So those cancel, neat and neat, and I'm left with y equals 5. So I'll go ahead and plot my y-intercept at 2, 4, 5. And there we go, I now have 2 points. That's all you need for a line, well, that and a ruler. So now I'll connect my dots with the ruler and label my graph. Plus 4y equals 20. Join us next time when we're taking a look at finding the intersections between two lines and looking to solve linear systems. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. And do check the comments do check the link in the description for the merch store. Take care.